Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, for those of you that are new, if you've not subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like and share. So, let's take a look at this analysis we did on the fifth, right, to actually add the bearish move that we once talked about. Yes, we've gotten the bearish move, right? We also did analysis for the 6th of December, right? I told you guys that we would actually drop at least to a level of 75 before we actually, take our buy. But guess what? Price even draws further than that. So I mean, those of you that are short, you should have been able to grab a lot because I also sell on this WTI CRUDE. And I also told you guys that once this price drop, we will be going bullish, but we've not actually gotten that bullish. Possibly this 7th on December, we should be expecting that bullish move on this WTI crude. Now that this price has dropped, it has taken out this week, right? Expect a reaction at this level. Definitely, price has dropped to this level. Now, we should expect a reaction, and that reaction should give us serve like as a pullback. We should have like a pullback to a level of 76. Currently, this price is trading at 74. I just don't know when you will be watching it. Maybe if you are watching it early, you can easily take this trade. If you are watching it late, maybe price would have moved away from that. So we would want to see this price is currently trading at 74. Let's see this price actually give us a pullback, a, you know, kind of like a bullish move to a level of 76 or 77, 76 or 77. But I'm watching out for 76. If in case it goes further up, then definitely it will get to 77. Then our price will drop again, or it will get to a level of 76, which I am watching out for. So price is currently trading at 74, right? Let us have a pullback to a level of 76 before we have our continuous bearish move downward on WTI crude oil. Now, one of the reasons why I'm expecting such a movement is that let's take a look at this trend on this daily time frame. What can you see? You clearly can see that price is dropping. Even if you have to zoom it out, you see that this is a bearish move, right? So price has been reacting to this level previously. We also rejection at this level, and we also a rejection at this level. We also price has now broken below, taking out this week, right? So if price has reacted to this level multiple times, right, we expect a pullback to be made. Then if price will continue to go bearish, then there's no problem, we will go bearish with it. And if price will continue to go bullish, there's no problem, we will go bullish with it. But I don't think so. But I don't think it will actually go bullish. I still believe the WTI crude will continue to drop. Now, secondly, is that since we are still below our 10-period moving average, as long as this price has not broken above this moving average, then I think we should still be looking for a sell setup, right? We have to look for a way to actually sell this WTI crude oil. So I mean, we should just look for a way. Either once a pullback has played out, either a new level has been broken before we go ahead to sell. So I mean, it just depends on how you enter this trade. So this daily time frame, this is still a bearish move, right? So we would expect kind of like a green candle to show up, right? I mean, take a look at this. This is kind of like red, good amount to drop. There should be a green candle coupled to the fact that price has once rejected this level, which is a level of 74, and we are currently at 74. So it makes sense for us to have a pullback to a level of 76 or 77 before our price will drop further down. Now let's see what this 4-hour time frame says. So I mean, take a look at this trend on 4-hour time frame. Clearly, this is a bearish move, right? So we saw price, dropped to a 77, right? We kind of had like a pullback to 78. Then price actually dropped to a level of 75, which we talked about, right? Which I was expecting. Price actually got to it, and guess what? Price even broke down and it has gone to 74. Now, of course, we need to have a reaction. Definitely, there must be a reaction. So this is the level we are currently at. Now that price has reacted to this level, definitely, if you trade a lot, right, I mean, you will know that if price has reacted to a level previously, price needs to react again. So we need a reaction at this level. So this is one of the reasons why I'm watching out at a reaction at a level of 76. I would want to see price give us that pullback to a level of 76. Then we can now go ahead to short this WTI crude oil. And when you take a look at this trend, right, it makes sense for us to actually have a pullback. I mean, if you have to see a drop on this level and you have a pullback here, then when you get a drop again, of course, you should expect a pullback. You don't just expect price to continue to drop, go down more and more. I mean, price has given us that good amount of bearish move. I mean, you will know that at least a pullback should play out, right? Something bullish should occur, good amount of a pullback to occur. then before we continue to go bearish. But if the price continues to go bullish, which I don't think so, which I don't think it will happen, then no problem, we will go ahead. But if in case it go bullish, then we should see it get to a level of 78 and drops, which I don't think it's even get to, right? I don't believe so. But I'm watching out for a pullback from a level of 74. I'm expecting a pullback to a level of 76. Then we will continue our bearish move. And possibly if price breaks this level of 74, no problem. If price comes to this 74 and give us a bullish move, still no problem, but right? So we want to first of all go bullish on the 4-hour time frame before you consider to short or sell this movement. Now let's see what this 1-hour time frame says. So clearly we can still see this is a bearish move on the 1-hour time frame. So it makes sense for us to actually have a pullback here. So if in case a pullback, let's see what this Fibonacci retracement will see. If in case this will serve as a pullback, let me see what it says here. So if in case we see this pullback, right? So this is a level 23.6, right? This is a level 23.6, and that level 23.6, it is at the level of 76, dollar that we are talking about. So this is one of the reasons why I said at least watch out for this level here. A level of 23.6 on Fibonacci needs to take out, right? At least we should have a pullback to hit this 23.6. And if price continues to go up, no problem. And if then, but I believe price will actually drop for that down. So still a confirmation that there would be a pullback at a level of 76. So if you can go ahead to go bullish and take it at a level of 76, then it should be okay on our WTI CRUDE for the day.